This is CS292 Final Project Part 1, and for my project I want to implement an application that can store and manipulate recipes. I've always wanted to do this application because every week I have to meal plan and I can never find my recipes. So I think this application can be good to for storing recipes and on a local database, and then perform simple but useful CRUD operations. The object that I chose for this application is going to be the recipe, and the attributes are title, ingredients, directions, and tag. For the tag, it's going to be something like gluten-free or vegetarian, etc., etc. The methods for this object are going to be basic getters and setters, which they either return or set string variables, such as get title, set title, get ingredients, set ingredients, get directions, set directions, get tag, set tag. The requirements. So the requirements for this application will be for the user. The user will be able to add, in this case, duplicates not allowed, for meaning that the recipes will only have will have a unique title, and then remove and modify recipes. The user will be able to open a text file that has multiple recipes. Then the application will be able to retrieve the recipes from the file and display them to the user. Then the user can just either decide to keep the recipes or not, and these recipes will be stored to the database. I want to include this feature because if we're with the add feature, the user can only add one recipe at a time. So I think by putting multiple recipes in a file and then have the application just add all the recipes at once, will be it will be a lot faster for the user. So the user will also be able to search recipes by title, which again they will have unique titles. The recipes will have unique titles, so that we don't have duplicates. Or tag, again, gluten-free, vegetarian. That will just make the search a lot more intuitive and easy. The user will also be able to save recipes to a text file. And again, this fulfills the file dialog requirement, along with the opening the text file is saving the recipes. And then also another feature that I want to include is the print recipes, which I don't think is it's going to be too challenging, but I believe it will be a good addition, a good feature for the user, because yes, you want to store your recipes and retrieve the recipes and displaying on the computer, but on the application. But what if you want to print a recipe? Then the user will be able to select the file or select recipes from the application and then print out those recipes. So I can't wait to start with this project, because one thing is this is basic operations that and coding that we've been doing so far with this class, but I've never set up a local database on Visual Studio. I think I guess I've done it once, but it was a long time ago and it wasn't really but I think this will be a good time to actually set up a local database and actually be learn how to access the data, how to retrieve the data, and I think that will really help me understand how the whole local database works. So